Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Galaxy on Android. Emulation lets you enjoy classic console games on modern devices like your phone. The Dolphin emulator is your key to unlocking Wii and GameCube titles. Before diving in, it is crucial to ensure your Android device meets the necessary hardware requirements for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. We will cover these details next, so you are fully prepared to embark on your galactic adventure. To run Super Mario Galaxy smoothly, a powerful Android device is recommended, ideally with a fast processor. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance, though 8 GB or more is even better. Begin by downloading the official Dolphin emulator directly from its website or a trusted app store like the Google Play Store. This ensures you have the latest, most stable version for the best experience. Next, you will need the Super Mario Galaxy game file itself. It is important to obtain this legally, typically by converting your own physical game disc into a digital ISO file using a Wii console with homebrew software. Once you have your game file, which is usually an ISO or WBFS format, transfer it to a clearly organized folder on your Android device for easy access within the emulator. With the emulator and game file ready, it is time to configure Dolphin. Access the settings to optimize performance, adjusting options like the video backend to Vulkan and enabling dual-core processing. Experiment with graphics and control configurations to find what works best for your device. For the most authentic experience, connect a Bluetooth controller, mapping the buttons to mimic the original Wii remote and nunchuck setup.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.